What's up? I'm showing you guys today how to do rear brake pads on a 2014 Dodge Avenger. This one has the 3.6. Already got the lug nuts loosened up. Alright, take this off. Alright, let's get to work. Let's see. It is a 19 millimeter. No, that's for the lug nut. It's a 14 to take the slide pins out. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Get this up here. Well, in this case, you're pulling to the right. Damn. It's actually pretty easy. Well, most brakes are. Pull that slide pin out. Slide pin. That's all you gotta do. Slide that up. Pop the brake pads out. Bing. Alright. There's one more over here. Pads look nice, but he keeps telling me they're squeaking, so I'm changing them. Kind of see the line on the rotor. Probably a rock jammed in there. This isn't a C-clamp, but it's what I'm using. I think it works better. It's a caulking gun, actually. Yeah, just thought of that. Bam, done. Take that off. Let's see. Damn it, I forgot the brake pads. Ah, man. Alright, these brake pads, they look like motorcycle pads. It's pretty funny. See? Small as hell. I just realized I think they only gave me one brake wear indicator. Well, you really only need one. Alright. Back to my spot. Put some lube on the brake hardware. I don't know if you can see that. some up top. Rub it in a little bit. I put some on the back of the pads. Turns purple. And I put some at the top and bottom of the pads. Just a little bit. Alright. It slides down. It's going to be like this. Alright. Actually, hold on. Put some right there. See if I can get this on with one hand. There we go. Bam. That's done. This side. It's going to be like that. Sitting right. It's on there. Boom. Slide this back down. Good thing is you don't have to take, what's it called? Caliper all the way off. Well, you really don't have to anyway. Put that in there. Lube up your finger some more. It's time to get to the long piece. Oh. Lubey. So next time you do the brakes, it'll be good. Nice and easy to remove, hopefully. Or next time I do the brakes. This ain't my car, but they'll probably bring it back. Always forget the napkins. I love this ratchet. It's pretty cool. Long. Short. Looks good to me. Make sure you support your vehicle nice and safe. I just threw mine underneath the ladder arm. I think that's what this is called. Yeah, make sure you use the jack stand though. I have them on my Impala. Doing the wheel bearing. Wheel bearing welded itself to the CV shaft, so gotta take the knuckle and everything to a shop to get it pressed out. But that's it. Nice and easy. Get in your car, pump the brakes a few times, make a stop after you hit 20 miles per hour, make another stop at 35, another stop at 45, and then 55. That's usually how I do it, somewhere around them numbers. And then they'll be bedding right. Any questions, just ask.